Most of us are reluctant to pay taxes, and at some point in our lives, we all have thought about living in a tax free world. It is a fact that paying taxes is viewed as a financial burden, but lack of knowledge about tax planning could further add to the stress. A majority of us struggle with the tax saving stuff fitted in our income that somewhere distracts our finances. Hello and welcome. I'm Namita, a tax expert at Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services software platform for individuals. Do subscribe to our channel to support us and hit the bell icon to never miss any important finance videos. To avail of the free gift through our giveaway, please check out the description for more information. I know, the financial year ending is near and you have started learning about easy ways to save tax, tax hacks, tax saving guide, reduce taxable income, strategies to protect your income, tax planning, blah blah blah. Why not meet directly with the CAs of Clear and get from them the best tax saving tips? So let's hear from them.
Hi friends, when it comes to tax savings, there are different investment options available for you, such as ELSS, fixed deposit, PPF, housing loan, etc. As a CA, I suggest you decide upon the financial goal or timeline before making a tax saving investment. The goals or timelines can be short term, medium term, or long term. By doing this, you can keep your tax saving investments time bounded. For example, if you need money immediately after 3 years, you must invest in ELSS under mutual funds. Besides, you can make a tax saver fixed deposit if you plan for any financial needs after 5 years. However, if you are planning for any pre-retirement financial needs or other long-term needs, you can invest in PPF as the minimum tenure of PPF is 15 years.
Now, talking about tax saving, I feel it is really important to gain some basic knowledge about tax saving strategies as it will help us in long run. The best tax saving tip that I have received was to keep your insurance and investments segregated. For instance, instead of buying an endowment policy, invest in ELSS and buy a term insurance. So it saves you money, saves taxes, and plus it gives you better returns.
Various expenses that you make from your salary are tax deductible. You can ask your employer to restructure your salary and accommodate allowances which save tax for you. Such allowances include house rent allowance, leave travel allowance, allowance for books and periodicals, food coupons, children allowance, uniform allowance, and many more. You can take prescribed amount of exemption for these allowances. In addition to these allowances, you're allowed to take a deduction of up to 10% of your basic salary and DNS allowance for employer's contribution to NPS account. For central government employees, the limit is 14%. Such deduction is available over and above Rs 1.5 lakh limit of Section 80C. All you have to do is ask your employer to make minor adjustments in your salary structure according to your rank. And this way you can take maximum tax benefit without making any investment.
Indian economy is on a roll, and if you want to reap the benefits of this movement, then it is better to go with the mutual fund investments. Under the mutual fund investment also, it is preferred to go with the equity-oriented funds rather than debt-oriented funds, as equity-oriented funds have the benefits of better compounding of return, better return to risk ratio, tax saving, and also the money management. Under the equity-oriented funds, it is preferable to go with the SIP mode rather than the lump sum mode, as it gives the benefits of averaging your risks over a period of time, better money management, better return to risk ratio, as well as better compounding of returns.
Please comment yes in the comment section below if you feel these tips are helpful. I thank all my CA colleagues to give their tax saving tips to our viewers, and I strongly believe these tips will prove to be of great help in saving taxes. If you have any questions related to tax savings, please comment below. We will reply to it as soon as we can. Further, we have included all resources related to income tax savings in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get an update as and when we upload new videos. To avail of the free gift through our giveaway, please check out the description for more information. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.